How to create a new piece on Wix website. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can add a new piece on Wix website. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're on this edit page and if you have your website here that you're editing, and if you're wondering how you could add a new piece, then what you have to do is navigate to top left corner. There is this home drop down, click on it. Here, go to manage pages. Now to add new piece, click on add a piece. And here you could either add a blank piece by clicking on this blank piece at the top left corner, or here you have other pages template that you can choose from. If you want to add about us piece, there is another profile piece. So scroll through it and choose one template from here. If you don't want to use this template, then you could add a blank piece. So click on add blank piece. And that's it. Now a blank piece has been added. You could name your blank piece right here. And if you want to change background, go to this change background option and you could also change the background. So that's the way to add a new piece on your Wix website. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.